The only bird that dares to peck an eagle is the crow. He sits on his back and bites his neck. The eagle does not respond, nor fight with the crow. It does not spend time or energy on the crow. It just opens its wings and begins to rise higher in the heavens. The higher the flight, the harder it is for the crow to breathe, and then the crow falls due to lack of oxygen. Learn from the eagle and don't fight the crows. Just keep ascending. They might be along for the ride, but they'll fall off. The people who are talking behind your back or using you as the subject of their gossips are like the crows. They love to ride on you to rise higher, but they will never keep up with your level of excellence. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more videos.